What's up, folks? We're going to go through some work to help to open up the neck, help you out with any kind of headaches, or if you just in general have jaw, neck tension, tight shoulders. This is going to help to open all of this up. So like I said, headaches can drastically be alleviated. Maybe not get rid of them completely, but it can at least help make them feel a lot better, and also make your head feel like, hey, this can move a lot more effectively. It's a lot more fluid. It's a lot more smooth. So especially if you've been doing something that's involved a lot of neck trauma, whether that's a really heavy like shoulder-based workout, a lot of gymnastics types work, and it's just done a lot of compression back there and things are quite painful and gnarly. Two things we can do, really simple, and we want to be really gentle with this. Always make sure that you're being as gentle as possible. But if you have either a foam roller or a large set of massage therapy balls, they can be like the Yoga Tune-Up Alpha balls. They tend to work a little bit better for this as they fit in the back groove of your neck. But what we're gonna do here, guys, we're gonna massage out what's called the occipitals. These are the muscles just underneath the occipital part of your skull. So most people have this little notch on the back of their skull called the, get this, the suboccipital protuberance. And it's just like this little bony bit where these occipital muscles latch onto. If you are prone to headaches, then it may be a little bit bigger on you than in other people. But what we're gonna do is basically we're just thinking top of the neck. So I'm not like right in the middle of the neck where the band will go later, but rather I'm just going right at the very top of the neck, kind of where the neck becomes the skull, or right under that. And right there, you have so much freedom with what you can do here. One, if you are in a position where you're gonna maybe be sliding around a bit because this is on a curve, then you can hold the balls in place. That's totally fine. Otherwise, just get comfortable and you can move your head all over the place. Go left, right, up, down. Make sure you're taking some big, deep, slow belly breaths, completely in and out through your nose. That's important. Keep your mouth shut. So I'm talking through this, so of course my mouth is open, but when you're going through this for real, keep your mouth closed and then go through your nose, entirely in through your nose and out through your nose. And just think slow, deep, rhythmic, just like that. And you want to go basically as long as you really want to, but at least 2 minutes or so. And then once we're done with that, just slide this quickly over to the side. We've shown before using a band up around the neck. We're just going to quickly pop into that. Just a little 2 drill routine, but basically band goes around the feet, band goes around the neck, and then I use my hands and my feet to adjust and modulate the tension on the band. So I'm going to take my hands up underneath here. That's going to provide an upward angle, so it's pulling like this on my neck rather than down in this direction. I feel that's always more beneficial for literally everybody that does this. And then just try to relax your head as much as you can so you can move all around, left, right, up and down. Make little circles. Just move and breathe deep as you possibly can. Go slow. And again, I want to go for about 2 minutes on this. Get up out of it and see if your head and neck don't feel any better after that. If you suffer with chronic pain, chronic injuries, athletic injuries, I have got you covered. My name is Ethan Hammond, and I am a strength and rehab specialist. I work with people who want to return to sport and fitness, but feel that they can't because of pain and injuries. I've helped people with conditions such as lower back pain, ACL tears, shin splints, neck pain and chronic headaches, and so many more things. Now, a lot of you will be going through things like this, like what I just listed above, and you're saying that you cannot train anymore. Bullshit. You have got to train, and you've got to train right. Train or complain, that is the way this works. Now, I work in person in Southampton, England, but I have online services as well if you're a bit further out. And I also offer free consultations to get you started with a free game plan and strategy for getting out of pain. All you have to do is to send me a text or a WhatsApp message to 07 305 231 339, and I will personally get back to you in the next 24 hours to get you started on the road to proper recovery. If you are serious about leveling up and making real change, this is how you start.